remember what these are called. I'll put the name of them on the screen. I ordered them, I saw them online. I was just like, I have to try those, I have to have those. I'll admit I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping they would be more of a salmon-y color. Salmon-y, I don't know. But they're kind of a burnt, kind of gross, almost orange. I don't know. They are pretty, but I think a lot of it has to do with, you know, just your own personal preference. But I will say for these tulips, they are insanely fragrant. They smell so beautiful. It's just a very light smell, kind of a mix between a peony flower and maybe a hyacinth flower. You know how hyacinths have that strong, like punch you in the face smell? Well, this is that same smell, but just very like faint and soft and delicate. As per the usual, we will be picking a lot of ranunculus flowers. The main reason for this is that the ranunculus are just in bloom. They look absolutely amazing. Why not pick them? I have a feeling I'm going to have a hard time adjusting to this microphone because, for one, it's in the way with everything I do. I'm going to have to put it in a different spot or something. An anecdote, I've actually been out in the yard today all day since about 7:30 this morning, and I've been just digging up flower beds. I am so sweaty. Oh yes, look at that. Now we're starting to see it. Look how creamy and beautiful and magical that is starting to look. Oh my freaking gosh, I love it. Hopefully you guys can't hear the wind too bad too. I guess this is just a test, so we'll figure it out as we go. The addition of these white ranunculus, oh man. These things are so beautiful. I can't get over it. You'll notice a lot of them have already bloomed completely open with that yellow part in the middle. That's not ideal. Obviously, we'd like to, you know, pick those before those completely bloom open like that. But admittedly, the patch of Icelandic poppies don't actually look the best right now. We got about 3 inches of rain this week, so a lot of them got kind of beat down by the rain. But there are some seriously gorgeous ones coming into bloom right now. There's some peaches and pinks and stuff. This is the hummingbird mix. I'm actually surprised there's so many like yellows and orange. I was expecting more pastel colors. All right, so after we have picked our poppies, we're going to head back to our little teeny work area here. And I'm just going to use this candle to sear the stems of these poppies. This is important. This will keep your poppies from wilting. Ideally, you could use a torch for this. Ideally, I don't have a torch right now. I'm just using this. It's a kiwi lime candle. I didn't like the scent of it anyway, so I use it to torch my Icelandic poppies. Don't judge me. I usually torch each stem for about 15 seconds. Ta-da! Here it is, all finished. We crammed a whole lot of flowers in that little mason jar, which was fun because I always say more flowers, less filler. I really like the kind of peachy poppies with those salmon-y pink tulips. At first I didn't think I liked those tulips, but now the more that I play with them, the more actually I think they're kind of growing on me. I think I really like those. The ranunculus look really nice in there, that nice pop of white, and hopefully it just looks like a big bouquet of spring flowers just erupting from the vase. Next time I think I could have did a little better job getting all the foliage on there. I just have the tendency to cram things packed full as much as I can. I hope you guys really like this one. If you did, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you, especially if you're new, obviously. Making new videos like this all the time. Leave me any feedback for this new format and let me know what you think about it, how I can improve it. I hope y'all are having a great day. Talk to y'all later. Bye guys.